We can see the lake from our hotel.
I don't have a pen.
You can use mine.
Can you speak any foreign languages?
I can come and see you tomorrow if you like.
The word dream can be a noun or a verb.
I'm afraid I can't come to the party on Friday.
We are able to see the lake from our hotel.
I can't sleep.
I haven't been able to sleep recently.
Tom can come tomorrow.
Tom might be able to come tomorrow.
Maria can speak French, Spanish and English.
Applicants for the job must be able to speak 2 foreign languages.
We had a lovely room in the hotel. We could see the lake.
As soon as I walked into the room, I could smell gas.
I was sitting at the back of the theatre and couldn't hear very well.
My grandfather could speak 5 languages.
We were totally free. We could do what we wanted.
The fire spread through the building very quickly, but fortunately everybody was able to escape.
We didn't know where David was, but we managed to find him in the end. Jack was an excellent tennis player when he was younger. He could beat anybody.
Jack and Andy played a match yesterday. Andy played well, but Jack managed to beat him.
My grandfather couldn't swim.
We looked for David everywhere, but we couldn't find him.
Andy played well, but he couldn't beat Jack.